Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on mastering performance marketing in just 3 minutes. Are you struggling to get your product or service noticed? Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of competition out there? Tired of throwing money at ads without seeing any real results? You're not alone. Many businesses face the same challenge. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to reach your target audience and, most importantly, boost your sales? Yes, it's possible. That's where performance marketing comes in. It's a game changer in the world of digital advertising. Performance marketing is all about results. It's a strategy that focuses on driving specific actions and measuring success through data. It's about spending money on ads that actually drive conversions, whether it's sales, leads, or app downloads. Every dollar counts. So let's dive into the steps to get you started. We'll break it down into 5 essential steps. Step 1, define your goals. This is the foundation of your performance marketing strategy. Before you dive in, know what you want to achieve. Clear goals will help you stay focused and measure your success. Are you looking to increase sales, build brand awareness, or generate leads? Each goal requires a different approach. Having clear goals will guide your entire strategy. It's like having a roadmap to success. Step 2, know your audience. This step is crucial for creating effective ads. Understand your target audience inside and out. Who are they? What do they want? What are their pain points? Where do they spend their time online? Knowing this helps you place your ads where they'll be seen. The better you know your audience, the more effective your ads will be. It's all about relevance. Step 3, choose the right channels. Not all channels are created equal. Each has its strengths and weaknesses. Consider platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram to reach your audience effectively. Each platform offers unique targeting options. Google Ads is great for search intent, while Facebook and Instagram are perfect for visual storytelling and engagement. Step 4, create compelling ads. Your ad copy and visuals are crucial. They need to grab attention and drive action. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and compelling. Use visuals that resonate with your audience. Keep it relevant, engaging, and focused on solving your audience's problems. The more value you provide, the better your results. Step 5, track and optimize. Performance marketing is all about data. You need to track your campaigns closely, analyze the results, and make adjustments as needed. This is an ongoing process. The more you optimize, the better your performance. Track metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. These insights will guide your optimization efforts. Want to learn more? This was just a quick overview. There's so much more to explore in the world of performance marketing. Stay tuned for our in-depth guide on performance marketing strategies. We'll cover advanced techniques and tips. We'll dive deeper into each step and share real-world examples through our upcoming blog. You won't want to miss it. Follow us for more marketing tips and tricks. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing. Remember, with the right strategy, you can achieve amazing results.